Video I'm going to talk to you about the national curriculum in England. Now if I just type in national curriculum of England, this is what comes up. You get the link to the website www.gov.uk, which provides lots of information about education, healthcare and many other things that are relevant to those living in and out of the UK. Now, if I scroll down to people also ask, because Google is a search engine and people do tend to ask many questions on there. One of the searches is there a national curriculum in the UK? That's the first one. Okay, so if I change the search, England and Wales, what we find is that certain places give certain names to the national curriculum in England, which is the technical term. So, for example, this website, you can see whichschooladvisor.com, and then it goes on to the UAE, in-depth guide to UK national curriculum. UK national curriculum is not a term that's used inside of England. Again, what is the British national curriculum? That's just another term that gets used. All of them refer to this here, the national curriculum. So I'm just going to go onto the website, the national curriculum. There we go. It gives you the key stages 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll go through that in another video. And then it gives you a basic overview. So the basic school curriculum includes the national curriculum as well as religious education and sex education. I'm going to give you a series of videos to follow this one, going through each and every one of these strands, and I'm going to focus on the national curriculum. It gives you the curriculum by key stages, by subjects. I'm going to go to subject. I'm going to click mathematics programs of study. This now takes you onto the next page, which is national curriculum in England, mathematics programs of study. Statutory programs of study and attainment targets for mathematics at key stages 1 to 4. So if we carry on going down, you'll see a few documents. Primary schools are key stage 1 and 2. Secondary is key stage 3 and 4. You can split that to lower secondary being key stage 3 and upper secondary being key stage 4. Now at the end of key stage 4, that's when you sit your GCSE or IGCSE examinations. Over the next few videos is taking out the key parts from each one of these documents. And that's going to give you a better idea of where you should be at if you are going to home tutor or if you are doing distance learning due to what's going on at this moment in time.